Have you ever wondered how much more we could achieve if we worked together in unity and harmony? In the realm of Christian charity, the potential of collaboration and partnership is immense. Just imagine, organizations, each with their own unique strengths and resources, joining hands to serve those in need. This togetherness, this unity of purpose, amplifies the impact we can make in the world. For instance, consider a food bank and a homeless shelter working in tandem. The food bank provides necessary sustenance while the shelter offers a place of refuge. Each organization, though valuable in its own right, becomes part of something larger, something more powerful when they collaborate. The synergy of their combined efforts allows them to serve more effectively and reach more people. The results of such collaborations are often more profound and far-reaching than what single organizations could achieve on their own. The idea of collaboration isn't new. In fact, it's deeply rooted in the teachings of the Bible. The wisdom of Ecclesiastes tells us that two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. So, when Christian charities unite, they embody this spirit of unity and shared purpose, maximizing their effectiveness in serving others. Then we have the teachings of Romans, which remind us that in Christ we, though many, form one body, and each member belongs to all the others. This idea of complementing each other's strengths and resources is at the heart of collaboration. In Proverbs we find that as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. This is a testament to the shared learning, innovation and growth that come with collaboration. These biblical principles serve as a robust foundation for collaborative engagement in Christian charity. So what does collaboration really bring to the table? Well, let's start with complementary resources. Just like a body with many members, each with its own function, every organization has unique strengths and resources. By collaborating, these charities can fill in the gaps of each other's capabilities, leading to a more comprehensive and holistic approach in serving those in need. Imagine a charity focused on food provision partnering with a healthcare organization. Together, they could provide not only physical nourishment but also medical care, creating a more complete support system for their beneficiaries. Then, there's shared learning and innovation. As the Good Book says, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. It's the same with organizations. When charities collaborate, they can exchange ideas, share best practices, and learn from each other's experiences. This exchange can lead to innovative solutions and strategies, continuously improving their service delivery and effectiveness. And let's not forget the maximized impact. By pooling resources and expertise, collaborating organizations can reach a wider audience and address larger-scale challenges. It's like casting a wider net. Together, they can touch more lives and create a bigger ripple of change in the communities they serve. Collaboration also builds stronger relationships. It fosters trust, mutual respect, and a sense of camaraderie among organizations, donors, volunteers, and beneficiaries. Through shared experiences and joint efforts, they weave a stronger fabric of community, reinforcing the bonds within the charitable world. Moreover, collaboration reflects the biblical model of partnership. Throughout the scriptures we see believers working together to advance God's kingdom. This spirit of partnership, of joining hands for a common purpose, is a powerful testament to the transformative power of collaboration. And of course, at the heart of all collaborative efforts is a prayerful dependence on God. Recognizing that true impact comes from Him, charities remain guided by His wisdom and provision in all their collaborative endeavors. When all these benefits are combined, the power of collaboration becomes truly transformative. Now that we understand the power of collaboration, what's next? Well, it's time to put this understanding into action. Whether you're part of a Christian charity, a donor, a volunteer, or simply someone with a heart for service, consider how you can foster collaboration in your own sphere of influence. You might seek partnerships with other organizations, initiating joint projects that pool resources and expertise. Perhaps you could lend your support to collaborative initiatives already underway, offering your time, talents, or financial resources. Remember, collaboration isn't just about joining forces with others, it's also about creating an environment of shared learning, innovation, and growth. So let's not shy away from exchanging ideas, best practices, and lessons learned. And above all, let's remain prayerful and dependent on God's guidance. For the true power of collaboration lies in aligning our efforts with His divine purpose. Remember, when we work together, we can create a greater impact and make a more meaningful difference in the world. So let's embrace the power of collaboration and partnership in Christian charity. Thank you for watching Glorious Tube channel. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, and press the notification button.